Hello friends, Gina Louise here. Today we're going to do a DIY spring cloche using Dollar Tree supplies. This one I used this round wooden sign from Dollar Tree with the beads. I used this wire that had beads on it. I used a wire basket and one of these small candles from the Dollar Tree. I used some of these Dollar Tree birds, and I also used this metal cage that I thrifted for a couple of dollars that had all these great little things in it. It had seashells, it had pretty roses, it was $2.50 half off, it had a nest, it had a bird. So I took the whole thing apart and I used all the different components for different DIYs I did. I removed all the beads from that wire because I'm going to paint them. And then I hot glued the top of the candle onto the top of the wire basket. I flipped it over and I added more hot glue to secure it. I added chalk paint to a container with a little bit of water because my chalk paint was a little too thick, and I just shook them up. I covered it with a towel so I wouldn't splash all over the place with the beads in there with the chalk paint, and it covered them so nicely. And then I took them and I put them on skewers and just poked the skewers into some styrofoam. What I happened to have on hand was a Dollar Tree pumpkin and that's what I stuck them in. I took the Dollar Tree birds and I removed their tails and I coated them with Mod Podge before I painted them. I also painted their tails. Then I decided to paint the glass top that I put on the cloche. Then I took my painted beads and I hot glued them all around the perimeter of that round wood sign. I noticed that you could see the hot glue around the top of the knob, so I decided to take this pretty lace ribbon from Dollar Tree and tie a bow around it to hide the hot glue. Then I took some of those small Dollar Tree foam eggs and I covered them with Mod Podge, and then with that dried, I painted them with duck egg blue. Actually, I used Pool by Waverly. While I let those dry, I decided to paint some feathery wings on my birds, and I took a feather brush and some chocolate paint. Then I took some black paint and I just did some splatters all over the blue eggs. Now I'll show you some of the ways that I decided to style these pieces. I hope today's video inspired you to create some fun thrift flips, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.